Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn fastest way create Python project. Here, that is the UV. UV is a Python package and project manager. You can go to the site UV Python and go to this GitHub or this site. You can see the UV is a Python package and project manager. You can create a Python project or Python application by using UV. Earlier, I did a video on how to run a Python application by using pip on Ubuntu. But now I am going to show how to create a Python project or run the Python application using UV. It is very fast and it is very fast. Okay, create your first Hello World program Python. For this demo purpose, I am using Ubuntu WSL. Let me open the Ubuntu WSL machine. Just go to this and open the Ubuntu WSL. Okay, you need not require to install the Python. UV install the Python in your project. Say for example, here I am going to create a project, Python project, mkdir hello app. Any name you can give. Here I name it hello app and hit enter. cd go inside the directory. Okay, then I want to open this directory into VS Code. Just write code space and dot, hit enter. It will open the directory in a VS Code. Okay, yes, close this. Here you can see there is no files and folder. To open the terminal, control backtick. Okay, there is no how to create a Python project. Create your first Hello World Python program. Before that, you just install the UV in your machine. Here in my case, it is a Ubuntu WSL. Okay, you can install the UV WSL. To install the UV on Ubuntu WSL, just go to the site and installation section. Here you can see the installation command. If your machine is Windows, you can use this command PowerShell, and if your machine is macOS or Linux, you just use this command. Here in my case, it is a Ubuntu OS, that's why it is a Linux based. I use this command. Copy this and go to the this section, and here just hit the enter. I already installed in my machine, that's why it shows downloading. It is also downloading. Okay, UV is installed successfully. Okay, just use this command UV and hit enter. You will see that all the commands, UV commands, run, init, all the commands are available UV. That means your UV installation is successfully done. Control L. Okay, just open the project file. Okay, here I am going to create a simple hello world program using UV. It's a I want to create a Python hello world program. Okay, for this, first I have to initialize the project using UV. To initialize the project or Python, just use the UV init, this command, and hit UV. Sorry, you can just control. Okay, you can see UV init. When I execute this command, it automatically initialize the this application. It will create a POML file, .ignore file. Okay, all the that is required that is required to Python application. And if I execute this command UV init, you can see all the files is created for the Python application. Say for example, .python version, you can see 3.12 is used for this application. .git ignore is created. Main.py, it is a main file for Python, it is created. Okay, you can install this Python extension for VS Code. It is recommended. Just close it right now. Project pyproject.toml. Here all the information for this project here mentioned. Require Python version 3.12 is mentioned. Dependency, there is no dependency used right now, that's why it's blank. Readme, all the initialization is done. To create a Python hello, to run this or to create a Python hello world program, just this is the simple hello from hello app. This is program is written. Okay, To run this application, just use uv run and main.py. It will automatically create a virtual environment for this project. Okay, or you can create a virtual environment first, then you can run the application. To create the virtual environment for this project, you just use uv venv. Here you can see all the comments are available in my GitHub repo. Just go to the GitHub repo. Here you can see this is the GitHub uvvenv. It will create the virtual environment for this project uvvenv and hit enter. You can see .venv is created. That means virtual environment is created for this project. To activate, here you can see activate with this command is used. You can just copy and here paste and just run this command. It will activate the virtual environment for this project. And you can see there is no virtual environment written. That is the name of the hello-app. After executing this, it will activate and hit enter. You can see hello-app is written here. That means your virtual environment is activated. Okay, all the dependencies are installed in this project only. Okay, Control L, clear the screen. How to run this application? To run this application, just use this command uv run and name of the file, that is main.py, and hit enter. Okay, you can see the message hello from hello app. That message is here written. That's why it is shows this message. You can run this application. Okay, it is automatically created uv log file. That means here the exact version of the Python is written. Okay, here you can see there is no dependencies here. Okay, this is the file structure of the Python using uv. If you create a hello world program or API based program, here you can write another, let's say you can copy from my app also. Here you go to the repositories, here Python Flags app, and you can go this copy and just paste it here. Okay, here you can see this is the simple Flux app. Okay, this is I am using this. You can use any port according to your need. Okay, 8181. Okay, it's fine. And main.py, here I am using the Flux Python library for this application. Okay, I want to run this application, and I am also use the Flux Python library. I want to mention in the requirements.txt file. Here you can create a requirements.txt file. Sorry, uirements.txt, and here you can mention the Flux library. Okay, here you can go to the requirements.txt, copy, just go to this and paste it here. Okay, now I want to run this application. Okay, to run this application, you can use, first you have to install the dependencies. Okay, mentioned in the requirements.txt file. How to run this requirements.txt? Just use uv add -r and then name of the file requirements.txt. Okay, and hit enter. It will install the Flux library into this project, and it will be mentioned in the project.toml file in dependency section. I will show you. Just you can hit enter uv add -r requirements.txt file and hit enter. You can see dependency. Oh, you have to save it. Control S, just save it, and then you will have to run this command uv add mains.txt and hit enter. Okay, you can see all the Flux dependencies is installed, and the another dependencies, all the dependencies are installed in this project. Go to the project.toml file, and you can see the Flux dependencies is mentioned here. Okay, to run this application, after that you can run this application. To run this application, just use uv run and name of the file, that is main.py, and hit enter. Okay, it is not saved. Control S, it is saved. Just use this run. Okay, your application is running, and if you go to this section, it will shows the message first code on Python flag, and here what it is written in root, and this is message shows first code on Python flag. If we if we slash hello, it is throws the hello word. That means you have successfully run the application by using UV. If you want to close this application or stop the application, Control C. Okay, in this way you can run the application by using UV. Okay, UV is a very fast and it is written in Rust language. Okay, to install, you can install the Python by using UV. Just use this command. You can install this command. If you did not install the Python, you can install the Python by using this command. Go to this my here. Just use the UV Python install. Okay, okay. To again, you can go to the site here. You can build the application, and it will create a build artifacts. Okay, build file. It will create a build directory, and you can see that. Just use UV build. If we execute this command, it will create a build directory and hit enter. You can see this, sorry, you can see the this directory, the distributed. Okay, this directory after executing the UV build. Okay, Control L, UV log file, all the, you can see all the dependencies are mentioned, exact version of the dependencies are mentioned here, all the packages, that is the uv.log. Okay, you can use this command uv sync sync. Okay, it is also already resolved, and this is the virtual environment is activated. If you deactivate the virtual environment, just use deactivate. Activate. Okay, you can see it is gone. Hello -app, this is gone. That means your virtual environment is deactivated. In this way, you can run a Python project. Okay, Python project. I will show you. If you want to create a Python project for AI/ML, you can just activate this virtual environment. If you want to add the library, that is Panda, here you can just mention Panda, Panda, Panda. Control S, save it. Okay, if you first run this app, this uv add -r requirements.txt, it will download the Panda or install the Panda in your project and hit enter. You can see Panda is installed, and it is mentioned in the project.uml file. Here you can see the exact version of the Panda is mentioned. Okay, you can also install the NumPy. Just Control S, save the file, and if you install it, Control L. If you install, just use uv add and this file. It is also installed the NumPy. It is very fast. NumPy is installed very fast, and you can also see the NumPy exact version of the NumPy in this project. You can go to the project.uml, and this is the NumPy 2.2.5. Okay, okay, you can see all these. This is the file structure of the, this is the virtual environment file, and git ignore is mentioned here. If you want to push this code into the GitHub repo, and all this is the exclusion of these files. .venv will not be uploaded into the GitHub repo. If you push this application into the GitHub, this is the git ignore file. This is very fine. This is very helpful for AI/ML project, Python project. Okay, in this way you can run and build the Python application. Okay, UV, by using UV. Okay, to deactivate the virtual environment, just use deactivate and hit enter. It is deactivate, and close this. Okay, this is my Ubuntu, and you can also close this Ubuntu WSL. If you want to watch my another video, that is run Python app Ubuntu WSL. Okay, and if you want to learn how to create a Ubuntu WSL, just use this. You watch this video. Okay, if this video is helpful, please like the video, share it, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.